Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to animate a logo in After Effects with very easy steps. I download this logo from Freepik. You can take any logo. First of all, we have to separate the logo in different objects. So I create a canvas in Illustrator and import my logo in this. This is a logo which is a single object. So we have to separate them. For this, I just copy the logo in my canvas and separate all the parts into different layers. So first of all, we have to ungroup with press Shift Ctrl G and separate all the objects into different layers. So I just select both the layers and copy them and place in different layers. After separating all the layers, we have to check that there is nothing left on my canvas alone. It should be placed in all layers. Now my object is almost in a separate layers. So time to animate. So save this logo as an animated form. So you can give separate name logo. Now open the After Effects. Import the layer as a composition. So my all layers convert into a separate layers. So select logo. Click on import as composition and say OK. Now double click on this logo. Make a solid layer. You can give any color. So I just take a gray color and animate this with separately. But first of all the layers has center point in the composition center part. So we have to place all the center according to the animation part. So I just lock the background and select the layer and check all the layers is done. So this is my main text part. So you can give name or whatever you want to. If you want to animate without giving name, you can, but it's good habit to give proper naming, so you can select by name also. So I'm just give the naming and place accordingly the layers. So all layers are placed. Okay, now time to animate. So I am going to first animate the tagline base part. So I move the center point in the corner of the little ring. Then animate the scale part for this. If you want to animate the rotation, as this is completely as per your logo, you can give different types of animation. So I just scale down, press 0, and if you want to give some rotation, because it is very straight scaled, so I just give some rotation, so it is like a rotated. Okay, for the same I take the same animation to the green object. So press U and select all the keys, copy it and open the transform part of the another layer and say paste. Why both the animation is separate, but the problem is this, I'm not move the anchor point first. So you can adjust the anchor point after animation paste, but I recommend that you have to place the center first, then go to copy paste the layers. If you want to give some randomness, you can move your layer one by one. Okay, now my both layers are ready. Okay, fine. Now the second part is my text. I am going to animate this text as a track matte, so I create a solid layer above this layer and make a square. This is my mask part, so I just use a trackpad effect with the alpha matte and animate the text to position part. So this is the default position, so I just move down it, so it revealed in a Q form. Now the main text I want to animate in a different way, but this is the stroke effect I can use, so I am not taking with the stroke effect. I am going to separate all the mask by this layer. So go to layer, click on auto trace, and with alpha channel create OK. So my alpha trace main text comes with the main text part. So hide the main layer and select this text part and animate the expansion, mask expansion. So I just give the keys for all the expansion part. So this is the revealed area, so I have to move all the points and decrease the expansion part. Now my mask is ready to show the text. So again the same part with the track matte and use alpha matte. So my text is revealed according to the mask animation. Now next part is my tagline. I can animate with the mask animation. So you can take a normal cube and draw on the main small tagline and animate the path. For this, press M and click on the mask path key and animate the path. Next thing is my leaf part. So click on this both the layers and move the center point in the corner of the leaf, and with the same technique which I used in the below part of the text. So I just use rotation scaling and scale down. If you want to give some rotation, you can give rotation part or scaling, whatever you want to give animation, but it comes both on the same timing, so I just give some randomness. Almost my logo is animated, but the background is very dark, so I just remove this background and it look more interesting. Now if you want to merge all the layers, you can. So because I want to animate the logo part by part, so I just move all the layers as my animation comes. So you can place your layers accordingly. Step by step the logo revealed, so I just adjust all the layers. Now my logo is almost ready, so import this logo into new composition and create a normal solid and the light background. Place the white solid below the logo. Now press 0 and check. Click on this Adobe Illustrator vector button so the edges look more sharp. I create a normal solid layer and create a shadow part with this. So I used to take a ellipse and give some featherness. But it is default center part, so I just animate the expansion. So you can decrease the opacity and animate the expansion. So as per logo reveal, my shadow shows. So animate the expansion. So my shadow comes after my logo reveals. Almost everything is ready. If you want to give some lightness sweep effect, you can create an adjustment layer and apply a CC light sweep. Give some shininess on the logo, but defaultly it gives effect on the both the background and logo. But I want to give this light sweep only on the logo part, so I just animate first and animation is almost ready on the logo, but it looked not nice to see in the background, so I just cut this layer and you can mask with the logo animation. So with the trackpad just click to alpha. Now my logo is ready. Hope you like the video. Subscribe my channel for latest updates. Thank you.